Potassium, the powerhouse nutrient behind plant resilience, helping them fight off diseases, endure drought, and develop strong stems and roots. It regulates water movement within the plant, boosts photosynthesis efficiency, and enhances fruit and flower production. Without enough potassium, plants become weak, wilt easily, and struggle to produce high-quality blooms or crops. Potassium originates from ancient mineral deposits, breaking down over time and entering the soil. Unlike phosphorus, potassium is more mobile, dissolving in water and traveling through the soil to reach plant roots. Organic sources like wood ash, kelp meal, and composted banana peels can provide a steady supply, while potash-based fertilizers offer a more concentrated boost. So you're probably wondering, what is potash? Simply put, it's a natural mineral rich in potassium, essential for strong plant growth. Mined from ancient seabeds, potash is the key ingredient in many fertilizers, helping plants resist drought and produce better fruits and flowers. Different types, like potassium chloride and potassium sulfate, cater to specific soil and crop needs. Whether organic or synthetic, potash plays a vital role in keeping plants healthy and productive. Potassium is the silent workhorse in plant nutrition, but too much or too little can throw off the entire system. Excess potassium can block calcium and magnesium absorption, leading to deficiencies, while too little results in weak stems, curled leaves, and poor fruit development. Regular soil testing ensures your plants get just the right amount for optimal growth. Potassium has shaped farming for generations. Ancient growers unknowingly enriched their soil with potassium-rich wood ash, while the 19th century saw potash mining revolutionize fertilizer production. Today, this essential nutrient remains critical to global agriculture. With rising demand, scientists are working on smarter, more sustainable ways to maintain soil fertility for future harvests. Potassium needs to reach plant roots to be effective, and the best way to ensure absorption is by mixing it into the moist soil. I recommend using wood ash or kelp meal for a natural, slow-release boost. Apply one of these before heavy fruiting or flowering stages for the best results, and always water thoroughly to help plants take advantage of this vital nutrient. That was Potassium in 100 seconds. If you found this video helpful, hit subscribe, and as always, happy growing.